Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move Valorant to another drive in 2024. So let's get started. Open the Riot client. Once it's open, log into your account. After logging in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, click on the Settings option. On the left-hand side, click on Valorant, and it will display your current installation path. Navigate to this path in your File Explorer. Go one step back in the directory and you'll see a folder named Valorant. Right-click on this folder, select Show More Options, and then click Cut. Now go to the folder where you'd like to move the Valorant installation. For example, if you want to move it to a new folder, simply navigate to that folder and paste the Valorant folder there. After pasting the folder, return to the Riot client. On this page, click on Valorant, then click Play. You'll see an error message. You'll then see an Install button. Click on it and you'll be prompted with an option that says Already Installed. Click on Already Installed, then navigate to the folder where you pasted the Valorant application. Open the folder, go inside the Live folder and click OK. Once you do that, your installation path will be updated. And that's it. As you can see, my installation path has now changed. I hope this video was helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.